How to fix Cash App won't let me unlock card. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the Cash App won't let me unlock card, firstly try to unlock your card by using your correct PIN. In order to do so, you can launch a Cash App on your mobile device and click on the card icon that would be at the bottom of your screen. You should see the option of unlock card. You can tap on it, then enter your PIN to unlock your card. Make sure that you have entered the correct PIN. Once you have entered your correct PIN, you'll be able to unlock your card. So make sure you double check it. If it still does not work, then you need to reach out to the customer support. For that, you can check out the Cash App support. At the bottom, you will see the title Contact Us. Here, you can contact the support by two ways, that is by starting a chat or by calling at the given number. You can select on any of this option to reach out to the customer support of Cash App. Then, you can go ahead and provide them the information. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.